Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to break down exactly how I made 1,700 using Pinterest affiliate marketing. Yes, without running ads, without a huge following, and without spending all day online. I will show you the simple strategy I used to drive free traffic from Pinterest straight to a high converting affiliate offers and how you can start doing the same even if you are a totally beginner. Make sure to stick around till the end because I will also be sharing my top performing pins and the niches that work best and exact tools I use to scale. And make sure to subscribe to this channel, like, share, comment and turn on the notification bell for daily new money making videos. We are going to follow 5 steps to make 1,700 with Pinterest affiliate marketing. So the first step we are going to do is choosing a niche. Mind you, choosing a niche can be very hard, but it depends on a passion on something that you feel you can do. That's the best advice I'm giving you. There are many niches outside there. There is healthy, which is there is weight loss, something etc. And there is wealthy, like make money online, crypto, etc. There is relationship and dating, and there is these meditations. Mind you, on Pinterest, Pinterest is mostly used by women, so women are the most active users on the Pinterest platform, so make sure to think about that. But in this video, I'm going to give you an example. I'm going to use this niche of meditation. If you are really interested in making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing, I'm going to give you this document for free, and I will leave the link in the description so that you can follow these steps and the guidance so that you can be able to make money for yourself. Then another thing we need to do is to, after you have finished to choose a niche, the next step here is to go and find the best affiliate program or finding a best affiliate network. The first thing to do is we are going to go on Google and type on something like best affiliate network and click enter. As you can see, the best affiliate networks, then you scroll down, they'll give you can see here Shopify, there is CJ affiliate marketing, there is Clickbank. There are many affiliate networks which are there. After you have found your affiliate program or affiliate network, I have few affiliate programs here that you can use, like Clickbank, there is Amazon, there is Digistore 24 and MaxWeb and the ShareShell. So pick one affiliate network, or you can sign up to all of them. In this video, I'm going to use Digistore 24 as an example. So what I'm going to do, head over to Google search and type on Digistore 24 here, then click here. Let me show you a real quick how you can create a Digistore free account. If you have an account, then that's good. Then you need to click here, get started. Click allow all of them. You need to put here your name, and you need to put here your email, and you need to create a password, and you need to repeat a password. Click here. Then after clicking there, then you need to click here, and you need to click here continue. After clicking continue, your account will be registered. You have to go on your email so that you can verify your email, then click login. Then I will have to put my details here. Is to come here on marketplace. Then you come here and see all the products. There are many products. There are hundreds and hundreds of products that you can promote. As you can see, this one is ranking number 1, which means it's working. It's really doing great. Hit promote. Then I have got my affiliate link here. Copy it, and I need to save this affiliate link somewhere here. Without this, you are not going to get sales, you are not going to do anything. So Another step here, the next step is to go on Pinterest and create an account and set up your profile and optimize it as a business account. So guys, when you're creating your Pinterest account, you need to put your account in a business account. Next step, which is step 4, this is the most important part of creating engaging pins with free tools. So the first step we are going to do here is to go on canva.com, and obviously I'm using Canva here to do all of these things here. But go on Google and search about Canva, create a free account, though there is a paid premium features, but obviously you don't need a paid features to do all of this. Before we go on how to create those images and videos on Canva using a Canva, the easiest step here is to repost content from TikTok, because let me show you what I'm trying to mean here. In content, let me say for example we are in the niche of meditation. Click there, and here is they are going to give you the, let me remove this, okay, they are going to give you the meditation content here. So the next thing you need to do, guys, you need to install this app here. This app allows you to see how many people have commented on the video, how many people have shared this video, how many viewers. You scroll down as you can see here, and it's going to help you to bring the most viewed videos, like the videos with a lot of viewers here. So guys, what we need to do here is to find a video which has gone viral, 100k viewers plus. Like this video here, this video got 6.3 million views. So you are going to click on that video. I don't know why my laptop is doing slow like this. Okay guys, real quick, you're going to click on that video and click this share button. You need to click here to copy a link. After copying a link, you will need to come here on this software called Snaptalk. This software allows you to download TikTok videos without a watermark. So the next thing you will do is to paste your URL and click download. The video will be downloaded into your browser. You can download a lot of videos and be reposting them on the Pinterest. This is very important. Make sure to tag the owner of the content, because if you don't tag the owner of the content, obviously the owner of the content will claim that content and you'll be banned on Pinterest, and your content or your pins will be deleted. The next step is I'm going to show you the way how you can create your own content with Canva and ChatGPT. So all you need to do is to come on Canva, then you will have to click here to find the templates that you most like the template that you want. There is this template, there is this template, or you can begin from scratch if you know how to design, if you really know how to design. But for me, I'm not a master of designing. I don't know how to design that much. So the method which I'm going to show you is this. So after getting, like, let me say for example, we are going to use this template here. The next step we are going to do, we are going to use this template and make sure to come here and duplicate this content to, like, let's have like 10 contents here. I believe there are 10, and guys, you will need to do it for yourself. Let me use this. So the next step here is to go on ChatGPT. Come here on ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT, write me 10 quotes about whatever in the niche you are, and each quote will with 8 words, like for example. So ChatGPT will write for you something like this here. So the next step you need to do after ChatGPT has bring for you the quotes, has given you the quotes, the next thing here is to pick each quote and go to Canva. You will have to delete this and make sure to put that quote here. Another thing to do is to go back to ChatGPT and copy another quote here like this. Right click, copy, and come back here to Canva. Right click, paste it. Then we have to go to the next page here, this page 3 here. Still again, go back to ChatGPT, copy this, the third quote, right click, copy, and come back to, still do the same, right click and paste it there. As you can see here, we just need the same image, but just changing the quotes like that. Make sure to have 10 images with different quotes, and after having the content, this is really wonderful. As you can see here, this something like that. After having the content, then you will have to come here on the share button and click here on download, and come here, share button, click here on download, and you have to click here download. The next step I'm going to show you is the way how you can pin your content in the Pinterest. So let's go to Pinterest here. Sorry guys, my network is doing slowly. Click here where there is 3 dots, 4 dots here, click there, and you need to come here where there is content, create content, then organic, then create a pin. Then here we will have to upload our pin or upload the video we have downloaded through Canva, or the video you have downloaded through TikTok. Click there and find that video. Don't put this, you have to delete this one, delete that block box. Here, done. And after clicking there, done, a title, let me say like the best way to meditate, something like that, and scroll down. Another thing, to add description, we need to put here the description. So still we'll hit over to ChatGPT. Just come here, copy this heading, copy this title, and come to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT like, write me a Pinterest description about the best way to meditate, and click enter. Copy this, right click, copy, and come back to Pinterest. Click there, right click, paste. The next step here, we need to put our affiliate link here, the link we got from our Digital 24. I remember we saved it here on our Google Doc here. The next step is to copy this link and come to Pinterest, paste your link there. So people, this is the link that is going to make us money. So scroll down. Once you have finished to put your link, just leave this one as it is, and here you need to put tags. And remember, ChatGPT gave us tags, so come back here to ChatGPT and copy these tags here. Put on your tags there. As you can see there, click here and publish it. You can see here it's being publishing. Well, wow, great job. Our pin you can view here. Okay, great job. Our pin has been finished to publish. So from there we will need to let the magic happen. All right, step 5 is to stay consistent and make money. The more you keep on posting, the more you keep on creating engaging content, the more you keep on posting every day, the more you make money.